Fred Haas Toyota World is the #1 automotive dealer in Texas because we know price sells cars. Plus, it's Fred Haas's goal to save every buyer $2,000. Honesty, integrity, and customer service. That's Fred Haas Toyota World. Here's the vehicle for you.
The city doesn't stop when the sun goes down, and neither does your Toyota Prius C. A sporty design and vibrant colors make it the center of attention, and a premium interior adds extra comfort. So go ahead, light up the night. Choose from 4 Prius C models, 1, 2, 3, and 4. What's cooler than one power source? 2 power sources. Toyota's Hybrid Synergy Drive features a gasoline engine and an electric motor, working independently or simultaneously to move you as efficiently as possible. How does 48 miles to the gallon in the city sound? Because it meets Tier 2 Bin 3 federal emission standards, your Prius C is rated a super low emission vehicle. You won't have to choose between efficiency and comfort. With its available 6-way adjustable driver's seat and tuned premium audio with integrated navigation, moonroof, and more, you and your friends might enjoy the journey more than the destination. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and genuine Toyota accessories and build a Prius C that's all yours. Fun and efficiency. With your Toyota Prius C, it's easy to have both.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. And with over 1,200 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, we're sure to have what you're looking for. Come experience the Fred Haas Toyota World commitment to customer satisfaction. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.